In this video, we'll guide you through how you can fix the missing tools in Photoshop. If you find this tutorial useful, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving the video a thumbs up, as it really helps out. Now you've opened up Photoshop and noticed that your tools panel might have disappeared. It can be pretty frustrating since the tools are essential for selecting, painting, cropping, and doing pretty much everything in Photoshop. So not having access to them can seriously slow down your workflow. Don't worry though, the fix is actually quite simple. First, make sure Photoshop is open up on your computer. Look around your workspace, and if the tools aren't visible on the left hand side or wherever you might have normally kept them, then it's likely just hidden or accidentally closed. To bring it back, look up at the very top of your Photoshop window, and you'll see a menu bar with options like File, Edit Image, and so on. Find and click on Window to open up this drop-down menu. This menu controls the visibility of all your different panels and toolbars. Once you open up the Window menu, scroll down until you find the list that says Tools, which is usually located at the very bottom underneath Options. Simply click on that and it'll either take them away like it did for me since mine were still there, or add them back for you. One more time, that's Window, scroll down until you find Tools and tick it on. And that's all there is to it. Hopefully this video helps you get your tools back and makes Photoshop a lot much smoother. If you found this video helpful, please consider to like the video and subscribe for even more Photoshop tips and tutorials. Thank you so much for watching and have a good rest of your day. Bye bye.